Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing today? We have a special video for everybody. This is the HP Aero 13 that's just announced from HP, and I have the full laptop purchased by me personally, and this is going to be my personal laptop. I'm going to show you a lot of videos. I'm going to drop a lot of videos on a playlist called HP Aero 13, and it'll be like if you watch my channel before, if you're actually a new person, what I do actually, I post one video for unboxing followed by a marathon of videos going through all the things that this laptop or this machine or this device going through, either by physical side or the software side. So please stay tuned and subscribe, and make sure you have the bell icon on, because I'm going to break down this laptop a lot, and a lot of people actually asking what is this laptop is about. And I'll tell you, just from just picking up this thing, I was like, what is this? Is this empty? Is this an empty box or what? Because I literally can, I can lift this thing with my pinky. Let me just show you. These are my pinkies, right? I can easily lift this box with my pinkies. Like, good luck doing that with any laptop out there. But hey, let me let you know what's going on here. This laptop is being marketed by, and I have this knife. Don't worry, I'm not gonna do anything crazy, right? I'm just gonna open this box, right? Where's the? Now this is the 16 GB version. Let me just quickly check out the information. Well, don't bother with it because it's in Arabic. It has the Ryzen 7. It has the Ryzen 7 5800U, which is amazing. I'm going to go down and break down everything, gaming, processing, everything. Just stay tuned, guys. It has, I'm just translating, guys. 4 gigabytes. It has 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, and it has also, the screen, guys. When I saw the screen, it's amazing. Has 400 nits. It's more than 400 nits, I believe. It's so great. The audio is toned by B&Q, and yeah, that's it. This laptop. Now, what makes it great? Just wait for it. Let me just open it first, okay? Let me just open it. Is this the top? Yeah, this is the top. So let's just open it and see what we have here. Just stay tuned, guys. I'm as excited as you, because when I saw this, I dropped the video and I was like, yo, this screen is amazing. And not only that, I was looking at the battery life. It looks amazing too. Oh, okay. So when you buy this, what happens? You're gonna see it like this. This is how it opens, and you're gonna see a lot of lightweight stuff. So this is the packaging. Let me just first take out the charging, or the charger, the cable. Holy crap, this is small. This is so small. And this is the cables. As you know, as you can see here. Let's take out this thing. First off, I hope this video doesn't hit 10 minutes or less. So this is the charger. It's a tiny charger, and it's a 65 watts charger, as you can see. It's very tiny. I can put this in my pocket. It's small, very tiny. Wow, amazing. Now this guy is gonna take some space, but this small charger is funny. Anyways, so that's a good thing. You have a tiny charger, so you don't worry about like carrying chargers, all that stuff. Now let's talk about the big guy in the house here. Let's pull this thing off. By the way, guys, just to let you know, I sold my Zephyrus G14 for this laptop. Okay, that's what I did. Yep, I did. Whoa. All right, so nothing else inside. Double check. Booklets. So some booklets, instructions, all that stuff. Okay. So this is it. Holy. This thing is so lightweight. Let me see. What the hell? I need to get myself a something to measure the weight of this machine, because this is super lightweight. How to open it? Oh, okay. We are almost there, everybody. We are almost there. Okay. Stick out all that stuff away. All right. Smell these small dusts. Okay. Now, this guy over here is super lightweight. It is under 900 grams. So we're talking about 908 gram. So 908, almost that measurements with this laptop. This is amazing. I've never seen something like this before. Just adjust the camera a little bit. I've never seen something like that before. It's just to show you, put you into perspective. This is the GDB Win 3, right? And if you didn't know what this device is, just go my playlist and watch all the 100 plus videos that I posted. So this weighs around 600, 500. Is it 500? I think around 500, 300, 400, 500 grams. This guy's is a 900 grams, okay? So just to put this into perspective, it's almost, this guy is not even the halfway there. It's just to show you. Now, let's just start focusing on this small, tiny, lightweight laptop. The build quality is top notch. And I know by just looking at the device, feeling it, using it, turning around, pushing it to the limits. And that's what I did on the store when I went there. You can go and check that video. So just forget it. Just watch this now. Now, what happened? People ask me when you open it, what happens? So you open this lid, so it doesn't lift up the keyboard, or doesn't lift up the laptop. And look at this. That's cool. And when you remove that, you have the stickers. This is the Ryzen 5800U series with Radeon graphics, Vega 8, which is awesome. Let's check out the keyboard real quick. Okay, excellent. So the trackpad is fine. So what I do when I check the trackpads, I touch them, and there is some sound like you know, what do you call the sound, like shaking a sound or squeezy sound. I feel there's something wrong, but here, this thing looks amazing. All right, this is the tapping sound. Now this is just an unboxing, guys. I'm gonna go through this. A lot of videos gonna drop later on. I'm just doing this unboxing because I own this laptop. I'm gonna show you my honest opinion. On the left side, you have a USB Type-C, and you have a USB Type-A that actually has a mouth. It opens up and closes, and has a HDMI, as you can see, HDMI port. Man, it's so lightweight that I'm afraid I'm gonna drop it. We have this is the power cord. And we have another USB Type-A with the mouth that can open and closes. But here, you can also charge it through the Type-C charging. If you have your fast Type-C charger, it does support the PD charging here. So that's about these outputs. Now, there's a lot of things I want to talk about, but I don't want to do any kind of, what do you call it? Spoiling things and before I just go through everything. Let me just first show you. Let me just show you the starting. Let's just start the laptop real quick. See if there is any juice left on it. Okay, number one. The fan sound is so quiet, which is really great. And most importantly, let me just close this guy. Most importantly, guys, when I buy something like this, I watch the back. The back has great holes for ventilation, and this area opens up and suck up the air and push it out on the top. How can you see the air get out from it? So these holes out there. So you don't need to worry about any type of problem when it comes to the heat blocking something else. No, it works really fine. Anyways, before this starting and start to, you know, making it work, this is a screen, a great screen. This is 16 by 10 aspect ratio, and I see how good it is here. Let me show you. It looks amazing, by the way. This screen looks amazing. It's tall, it's really nice, and you can just watch movies. The colors though, the colors are amazing, man. These colors are totally amazing. And this is the maximum. And when you want to drop the screen a little bit, this is the minimum. So you can still watch the movies or watch what's going on with the screen when you put it on top minimum. Now this is the keyboard lid. Let me just turn off the light here. Okay, now it's better. Now I'm going to test this later on in many videos, just an unboxing video for everybody. Take care, everybody. Please make sure that you follow the playlist, and see you in another video.